Terasic offers a self-balancing robot development kit, which is based on their DE10-Nano development board, featuring the Cyclone 5 SoC FPGA from Intel. This kit demonstrates how FPGAs can be used to provide I/O interfaces customer-tailored to an application. The kit contains three major parts: the hard processor system, which uses an 800 MHz dual-core ARM Cortex-A9, the motor driver board, and the FPGA device. The system uses the onboard accelerometer for balance and the FPGA logic and I/O to provide motor drive, ultrasonic distance measurement, IR detection, and Bluetooth communication. Additionally, an optional camera board and FPGA design lets this robot track and follow objects based on color. The kit includes the self-balancing robot, lithium battery and charger, IR remote control, and USB cables.